I remember being that age and just wanting to be adventurous and head out beyond Aotearoa and have a look, and he's doing that. Pretty good. Yeah, in a really easy going, happy spot with life at the moment. Kids are moving on. My son's currently studying in America, which has been a big shift this year, big change. I think that's probably that's been a part of my husband and my journey this year, is realising that that chapter does come to an end. And although we're really excited for my son to be having his new journey over in America, I was fortunate to be able to go over and set him up over there, and I think that was really good for me because it's relaxed me into knowing that it's a good event for him. Although it's 4 years, I know that there's a journey and we're on that journey, and the next chapter will come. So yeah, I think it'll be harder once Sasha goes, my youngest, because then it's really, there's no one at home.